Last gift is from Pop-Pop. And it's for me.
It's big.
It's huge. I think I know what it is, and I'm loving it. It looks like a big thing of tools, maybe. Let's see. It's a.
Let me help you out there.
It's a trap. Pause for cuteness. Mommy's filming and cutting my finger off. One more piece.
Oh, one more piece?
Yeah. Just like this little. There's that side.
It looks like a toolbox.
It does look like a toolbox. And I think it is. What can I wear? Dad, I can't wear a tool.
Yes, you can wear a tool belt.
Maybe there's a belt in there.
Parker, are you so excited?
Dad, you're fired from wrapping gifts. Steven. Look at your toe. There we go. Ooh, look at all these cool things. My dad went all out.
Whoa.
Oh, this is awesome.
Whoa.
Wow.
Alright, relax.
Got it. Oh, sweet.
Someone's not a fan.
Sweet. What's wrong? You don't like tools? Look at this. It's a 23-piece screwdriver set.
Whoa.
Whoa. That's crazy. There's a saw, a hammer. There's, oh wow, drill bits. There's a big box here to put it all in. Oh my goodness.
That's so awesome.
That is really awesome. Thank
Look at
you.
the camera and say thank you.
Thank you, Dad. This is the coolest gift. Thank you so much. Say thank you, Pop-Pop. Now my dad's like a real man.